Hi children, now I am going to teach you 7th standard English as unit prose 1 Eidgah section 2. Soon the roads began to get crowded. Some people were on tankas and ekas, some in motor cars, all wearing perfume, all bursting with excitement. The children were a calm and contented lot. For village children, everything in the town was wonderful. Whatever caught their eye, they stood and gaped at it with wonder. At last, the Eidgah came into view. There were row upon row of worshippers as far as the eye could see. Newcomers lined themselves behind the ones already there. The people of the villages started to go to Eidgah. Some people were going with a cart drawn by horse. Some people were going with motor cars. All applied perfume, all laughing and talking loudly. The children were happy and satisfied very much. The village children wondered on seeing anything. They stared it with open mouth. At last they could see Eidgah. There were so many rows of worshippers. Newcomers stood behind. The prayer was over. Men embraced each other. They descended on the sweet and toy vendor stores like an army moving to attack. There was the merry-go-round with wooden elephants, horses, and camels. You paid 1 paisa and had 25 rounds of fun. Mahmud and Mohsin and Noori and other boys mounted the horses and camels. After finishing our prayer, our people hugged each other. They rushed the sweet stalls and toy vendor stores in crowded manner. There was a merry-go-round. Merry-go-round is only for children. We can see it every temple fairs. Children have a fun round with it. If you paid 1 paisa, you can had 25 round of fun. All his friends mounted the horses and camels. Hamid watched them from a distance. All he had were the 3 paisas. He couldn't part with a third of his treasure for a few miserable rounds. They were soon done with their rides. Then it was time for the toys. There was a row of stalls on one side with all kinds of toys, soldiers and milkmaids, kings and ministers, water carriers and washerwomen and holy men. Hamid watched them from a distance. He had only 3 paisa. He couldn't go to merry-go-round. His friends completed their rounds. Then they went to toy shop. So many kinds of toys there, like soldiers and milkmaids, etc. Mohammed bought a policeman in khaki with a red turban on his head and a gun on his shoulder. Mohsin bought a water carrier while Noori got a lawyer. Those toys cost 2 paisa each. Hamid had only 3 paisas. How could he buy such expensive toys? If they dropped out of his hand, they would be smashed to bits. If a drop of water fell on them, the color would run. But he looked at them hungrily and wished he could hold them in his hands for just a moment or two. After the toys, it was sweets. Someone bought sesame seed candy, others gulab jamuns or halwa. They smacked their lips with relish. Only Hamid was left out. Hamid had only 3 paisas. He couldn't buy such expensive toys. If they dropped them, sorry. Muhammad bought a policeman. Noori bought a lawyer. Mohsin bought a water carrier for 2 paisa each. Hamid had only 3 paisas. He couldn't buy such expensive toys. If they dropped them, they would be smashed into pieces. If a drop of water fell on them, the color might be vanished, but Hamid wished to hold them. Then they went sweet shop and someone bought sesame seed candy, others bought gulab jamuns and halwa and tasted happily. Hamid didn't buy anything. Glossary. Gaped. stared, smack your lips, open and close lips noisily to show enjoyment, released, enjoyed or enjoyed or took pleasure in the taste. Thank you.